Hi, Assalamualaikum. Actually, this video I will topic last year. It
Hindi
was
na
my
mag-taxi na lang kayo.
off.
Pababa na lang natin siya. Pa-drop off
Actually,
na.
this is after 8.
Okay, magkarin.
We're having fun with my friends, my colleagues.
Alam mo, double pin na
And
yata yung
it's so nice. It's in
dalawang ano na yung
Yacht
karin.
Beach in
Yung karin na yun,
Jeddah.
ano siya, nagdoble na yung bayad.
So
Like,
fun and it's so nice and a lot of boats and actually we ride one boat for them and we have fun more and I
attractive
wish
yung kulay na
soon
ganito.
we can go back again with them
No?
with some of our
Sobrang
friends also.
attractive yung ganitong kulay.
And we also drink some coffees and after that we go for the restaurant.